What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're gonna be talking about a tank that I just got. Also, we are gonna be fixing it. So, if you guys don't know how to fix a leaky tank, this is the video for you to watch. The tank I had got it, and when I bought it, it came from the person that I bought it. It came with the silicone in the inside, yellowish, and pretty much it was leaking. So in today's episode, we're gonna teach you guys how to replace that silicone or how to fix the tank, whatever you guys wanna call it. But yeah, if you on this episode today, this is what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna get to it right away. So see you guys once I get the tank. What is going on, guys? I just got another tank. This tank is on the back. Um, it was out of the nowhere, you know. But we got a tank. I will go to the house, set it up, and show you guys what this tank looked like. So I got home finally and bring the tank in the house already. So this is the tank, guys. Um, it need a little bit of work. That's why you see the aquarium silicone there. You need a little bit of silicone there, so I'm gonna remove that and I'm gonna add some new silicone. There's one there too. Of course, I'm gonna do all corners with new silicones because they're looking yellow. And what does that mean? That means that it's been sitting for a while and it have been just air dry, so just dry, and that what make it look like this. So in today's video, we're gonna do a little bit of tank fixing. We're gonna put some of the silicone and we're gonna test it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make it happen, and we're gonna do this step by step. So I'll see you guys in a little bit once I get ready to start doing all this stuff. All right, guys. So we're gonna start getting this tank prep for new silicone. I got the silicone, as you guys can see, aquarium silicone. Um, First thing we gotta do, we have to get a blade and cut all this inside old stuff right out. Then, when we're done with that, we're gonna do the whole sealing part because it needs to be clean and sealed. So all that I do is just, yeah, pretty much prep it all up. And I'm gonna show you guys in a minute once I get this one nice and ready. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So you guys can see. Sorry guys, sorry about that. But it happens. People don't know when to stop home. And so we just go all the way to the bottom. And it's ugly. Gonna do the same thing. Careful, you guys don't cut yourself. I mean, I'm pretty sure that I have something for these. I just don't know where it is. So now what I do, I cut it straight in. And cut through the grass. Okay, my size comes out. Size comes right there. And look, guys, this is what I'm taking off. All that old stuff, it already look better. So, I'll see you guys when I'm almost done with it. Alright, so I went and got me something more handy. And this is not handy. So I went and got this. But this should do a better job. So let's go ahead and see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one's doing the job. The inside. This one's working so much better. Well, sometimes when you have the right tools, it works. You have to make sure you have the right tools. But if your tank is leaking, but I got this tank. I just got it today, so I knew it was gonna leak, so I might as well fix it now. Before I fill it up. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty yellowish. If you guys don't see it, it's pretty bad, right? Go ahead, zoom in, man. Well, you guys see it's yellow, ugly, nasty. You're doing this tank good by doing that. Look at this. Alright, we got about 2 more corners to do. And then we should be good. I'm gonna show you guys closer what it looks like. Shit. Yeah, look at this, guys. That right there is a lot cleaner than this corner. So yeah, it was just a little dirty. It needed to be resealed, as you guys can see. So I go ahead and do that. Look at that. Look at this one. Yeah, see this one? And I gotta do this one so it looks so much better. But I'll see you guys when I'm ready to seal it, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Guys, right now, we are gonna start doing the sealing, and we're gonna do the cut at this big angle that they have here. What can I do so it don't get that right here? That's that. That's a nice little angle right there for you guys. Let me put it there. It's a nice little angle, big hole. And yeah, let's start this. Adding this puppy. And darling, can I get a paper towel, please? That'll be nice for you guys to hear in the video. The second one, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do the third one and the fourth one, and then I'm going to show you guys. Maybe let me just finish this one. You can stop. Thank you very much. Paper towel, silicone. Let me flip you guys. There you go, guys. Yeah. We're gonna apply here. Bloop. All the way to the top. Let's go with this one. Bloop. All the way to the top. The last one, guys. Oh my God, wish you guys can smell this. It's so strong. All the way to the top. So now what we do next, hold on. Now what we do next is we cover it, grab a piece of paper towel, Darling, can I get a cup of water too, please? You need a cup of water because you want your finger wet. You don't want to do this with dry fingers. So, as soon as I get my water, we do it. I think this is going to work awesome. Thank you. So, we got a cup of water. Get my finger in the water. Put that the silicone. Go all the way up. No stop. Wipe the excess on the paper towel. Again, with your finger. Down. Way up. Excess on the towel. Now, we're going to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. So, bear with me. That's it. Water. That's it. A little bit of water. Here. All the way up. That'll work. And this one. That's it. So, do it again. So it's very good. Okay. And one more. One more, guys. Well, let me do this one with you guys. My finger in the hole. We're gonna do the corner and from the bottom, all the way up. Clean the exit and right back down and right back up. And one more time. Yes. Just for the hee-haw. And that's it, guys. So we back. It's the next day. So silicone is dry. It's looking really good. Right now, he's anxious to fill it up. So we're gonna do the water test right now. We're gonna fill it up, and we see if we find any leaks. Go ahead, fill it up. Difficulties with the hose. This way, I'll help you. Don't wet it outside, so leave it inside. Alright, this might make a little bit, so we're gonna fill it up. Once it's all the way up, I'll get back to you guys. So far, so good. No leak.
Mom, last time I called him the baby dog.
Get away from me. So we are almost halfway there. So far, so good. No leak. It seems like everything is holding, but we cannot tell yet until it's all the way filled up, and it probably will fall apart. But so far, so good, guys. I did a little bit of the sealing on the outside too, so should be pretty good. All right, guys. So we almost at the top. So far, so good. No leaks. And by the way, do not forget every time that you do something like this, do not forget to do your water test outside. You don't want an accident to happen and you have water all over the place. Because it happened to me once. But so far, there's no leaks. It looks pretty good. Let me see that, camera girl. Thank you for your help. But look at that. So far, no leaks. It looks way cleaner. Remember, it was yellow. Now it's nice and clean. So, yeah. Uh, we're gonna leave it here for like maybe 20 minutes before it gets dark because it's gonna get dark soon. But before it gets dark, we're gonna come and check it out. I think I'm gonna leave it out here overnight.
I see a bug in there.
See what happened.
I see a bug.
Hey, you in the shop, bro.
I see a bug.
Thank you.
I see a bug right there.
Yeah, I see the bud, but yeah, nice and clean. Thank you. You guys like the video. You guys want to see more videos like this one. Just let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you want to see more videos like that or what type of videos you guys want to see. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Alright, guys, it's been over an hour since I filled it up, and I just wanted to do this one more time before the end of the video. But yeah, it's holding pretty good. No leaks in any corners, no leaks at all. So yeah, thumbs up, and once again, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.